Let's start.
Start.
Okay, guys. Actually, whole universe is asking me to accept this challenge. So since from centuries, whole universe is asking me to accept. So today I'm taking this deadliest, most hottest, spiciest, sexiest. और क्या चाहिए? So I'm taking this challenge. So there are some rules. After eating this, your mouth will be on fire and you are unable to speak. बहुत सारा rules है. पता नहीं है. देखते हैं क्या होगा. I'm taking this challenge. This is on my own risk. I am not recommending this Jolo chip to anyone to take this challenge. It is they for their decision. Thank you. So this is the original box we ordered. ये है Jolo chip का original box है. It took 7 days to receive. Yeah. So I'm opening this. There is no gimmick. So this is how it looks. It's broken. I'm just removing another one. Right. So this is the whole piece. Actually, it is broken. So this is it. How it looks in triangle shape. So actually, we cannot discard this powder. This is actually the core part of this chip. The deadliest chili what they have used in our bus. Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay. Let's start.
Good luck. Slowly.
Okay. Just checking this.
All the best.
Time start. Timer. Minimum 5 minutes. Timer, please. Tissue.
Start देना.
हो गया रहना.
ऑलरेडी मैंने स्टार्ट.
Timer यहाँ पे.
हमारा पीछे का.
Thank you.
मजा आया.
स्टार्ट हो गया.
मेरा फोन है उधर थोड़ा.
Dr. Rakesh, how are you feeling now?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice. Good.
I'm trying to swallow. I'm trying to swallow. Yes.
Show your tongue.
Yeah. Time started, no?
Yes.
Now it's over.
Okay.
1 minute 10 seconds.
Actually, this is 5 minutes challenge. They have mentioned that it is unable to speak. Mouth will be on fire. Yeah. I'm
But
feeling
you are
that.
speaking.
I'm feeling that.
Sir calling me.
There's some heat I'm feeling in the ears. In brain. Yeah. It's not doing that much spicy to me. I'm tolerating quite. I'm okay. It is totally 5 minutes challenge. They have mentioned that we are we are unable to speak. We have to try speaking something. Yeah, I could be able to speak, and what I am feeling. My blood vessels just like moving. I can feel that. My hands are on fire, and my ears are completely under flame, and eyes are quite totally hot. Continuously, there is saliva on my mouth. It's coming. The saliva is coming on my tongue. This is okay for me. I think I am able to tolerate this. Yeah.
1.5 minutes.
Only 1.5 minutes is left.
Okay, 5 minutes challenge. Totally,
Yeah.
it is 5 minutes challenge.
लेट लगाया.
नहीं, लोग बोल रहे हैं कि बात नहीं कर सकते हैं और सुन नहीं सकते हैं. मेरे को तो ऐसे नहीं लग रहा है.
Last 1 minute.
या ये जो भी होती है 5 मिनट्स के अंदर ही होती है.
क्या?
जो भी बात बोलना बंद हो जाएगा और कान ये सब. आई एम फीलिंग दैट बट आई एम एबल टू टॉलरेट.
Are you getting sensation?
Yeah, all the sensation, all these whatever they are, extreme profanity, and I'm getting some little tears from my eyes. Yeah, it's happening. And mouth on fire. That's fire is already there. Mouth on fire. Fire is already there. And short-term loss of speech. But I'm not much feeling that. I'm
Yeah.
not sensing that
You
short-term.
are saying you are talking a lot after eating
Yeah.
it.
Oh, thank you so much for your.
Over almost 10 seconds.
Last 10 seconds.
Last 7 seconds. 6.
Very good, Rakesh.
3. Don't cry.
2, 1.
Completed.
Yeah, successfully done.